To cut calories for weight loss without feeling weak and cold, it's important to do so gradually and with a balanced approach. Here are some tips to help. Calculate your daily calorie needs. Use an online calculator or consult with a registered dietitian to determine your daily calorie needs for weight loss. Reduce your calorie intake gradually. Start by reducing your calorie intake by 200-300 calories per day and gradually increase the deficit to 500 to 750 calories per day. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to a drop in blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling weak and tired. Instead, aim to eat small, frequent meals throughout the day to keep your energy levels up. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep you feeling full and hydrated, which can help you avoid feeling weak and tired. Get enough sleep. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help your body recover and maintain your energy levels. Consider working with a professional. If you're still having trouble cutting calories without feeling weak and cold, consider working with a registered dietitian or a certified personal trainer to help you create a sustainable plan that works for you. Are you looking for an effective way to lose weight? Look no further than a healthy smoothie diet. By replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with a nutritious smoothie, you can easily reduce your calorie intake and shed those extra pounds. Plus, smoothies are easy to make and can be customized to your taste preferences. So why wait? Start your smoothie diet today and see the pounds melt away. See the video description for more information on how to lose weight with the shakes.